going so far?
Well, in the last year, we start collaborating with the Ministry of Education because we recognize that students would be coming out today to school, and therefore we want to ensure that the school environment would be safe for them. And we started a program whereby as the students come into the school, these dorm schools, that we will be able to test them. We deployed both our antigen rapid tests to these areas as well as PCR testing. So all the students who would come back to the dorms would be tested, and we'll then be able to assure the Ministry of Education that they have a very safe environment. So far, over the last couple days of testing, we did find a number of students who were positive, and those have been isolated. Isolation, generally these students are all asymptomatic, meaning they have no signs or symptoms of the disease. But nevertheless, we have to isolate them because if we put them with the general population of students, then they're going to spread it. So isolation would be required, that they stay by themselves in a separate room. They'll be given food and education materials so that they can continue their learning and so forth. But they'll have to remain there for at least 10 days. If, however, they do exhibit some signs and symptoms, well, then those would be treated and would be monitored. And once they stop getting any signs and symptoms, then we'll follow the protocol to release them from isolation. So it's an ongoing process.
Okay, Minister, you said a number of students. We didn't give a specific number. Do you have that for us?
Well, it's still an ongoing exercise, and we haven't totaled the amount as yet. We expect that there will be quite a few because with every one of the dorms, people are coming from different areas, and therefore we'll have to keep monitoring it.
Okay. And Minister, are any of these students